Hello friends, very warm welcome. First of all, heartily thanks to Sujata ma'am and Amit sir for creating such a beautiful healing program on naturopathy. This program includes more than 35 to 40 different topics which is very easy to understand and all of them are too natural. Program is very easy to understand and very practical. It is even very easy to apply even. The course is designed in such a manner that one can see transformation on its own by its completion. Oh, how can we forget the bonus segment? The bonus segment of the course is fully loaded with information and knowledge. And finally, the weekly live mastermind sessions are so interactive that not only it gives us knowledge, it clears our query and it even gives much insight on each and every topic. Finally, a warm thank you to Sujata ma'am and Amit sir for taking us back to nature and heal us. And I'm eagerly looking forward for level 3 program to be launched. All the best to entire naturopathy team. Thank you very much.